Whoa, that's strong. Oh well. It is cocktail hour here at Messermeister HQ, and I am making shit up today. So I'm naming it The One White Peach Sangria. Everything's just one. San Moritz knife currently on sale. There is going to be cutting in this one. One mango with the Messermeister peeler. Oh, look at that. Bottle of wine, Sauvignon Blanc. 1 cup peach schnapps. 1 cup vodka. This is like the Long Island of sangrias here. Bit of mint. 1 lemon. 1 orange. Mix it around. Put it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. All right, 1 hour later, we're back. We're gonna give it a stir with our knife. Now you could put it over ice. I'm gonna just add a little topper of Topo Chico. How did we do? That is wild. Oh, that'll mess you. White peach sangria all weekend.